Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the screenshot in an image editor that supports cloning or healing. Examples include free and paid apps. Duplicate the background layer so you always have the original to revert to, and set a comfortable zoom between 100 and 200%. Once done, select a soft brush or healing tool with moderate hardness. This reduces hard edges and helps the repaired area blend. Make sure you pick a nearby source patch so colors and texture match the surrounding pixels. You now remove the marker using the clone stamp or healing brush. Sample clean pixels near the mark and paint over the ink with short, controlled strokes. This prevents repeating patterns. Adjust tool opacity to between 50 and 80% so repairs blend naturally, and switch source points frequently to match texture and lighting. For fine boundaries, use a smaller brush, while broader flat areas get a larger, softer brush. If the image has gradients, clone along the gradient direction to keep it smooth. You finish by refining the repaired area to match the rest of the screenshot. For large marks, try a patch or content-aware fill, then soften transitions with low-opacity healing strokes. Toggle the original layer on and off to compare and ensure you haven't altered important details. This helps spot mismatched tones. If you see smudges or smoothing artifacts, add a tiny amount of noise or very light sharpening to unify texture. Troubleshooting tip: if blending looks wrong, undo to the duplicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.